All right. AWE. So my car about to be stupid loud. Let me get everything out of the box and I'll show you guys. All right, guys, I got everything unpacked. These are all the piping. It's all 3 inches. And then over here, we got the clamps for the cat since I'm running a stock down pipe. And then the tips. I might change the color of the tips because I kind of want to do black, red, and white. Get rid of all the chrome around the car. All right, guys, next clip should hopefully be a before and after. I'll see you guys next clip. What's that car, nigga?